Steve Stein from Guitar Zoom here, and I'm really excited that you've decided to learn with me. We're going to be learning about modern blues, okay? Blues fusion, we could call it. And really, what does fusion mean? It really means that we're blending multiple different styles of music together. You hear the term fusion a lot when we talk about like jazz or certainly with blues. And so what's happening to take this modern approach, my goal for you is to learn some really unique and cool things that you can apply to your everyday playing. And I'm also going to show you not only how the scales and everything work, but I'm going to show you how to use them realistically so you can start applying them to your playing right away. I'm going to be supplying you with a bunch of concepts and licks and certainly applications. So you're going to be able to use this stuff in your playing pretty much immediately. And the goal is to make everything sound really, really colorful with just simple twists of ideas that you already have. So let's go ahead and get started.